Hi, this is Jason Schneider. This is actually part 2.3 of text analysis with R for students of literature, and this is going over the chapter token analysis and chapter 4. Real quick, just to tell you that when we speak of what a token is, we're actually talking, as chapter 4, we're actually saying words here. So when we're saying token analysis, we're basically doing a word analysis. And if you wanted to kind of show this off, this is a new thing for this website here, Society for Linguistics. And of course we have experiments here, linguistic experiments. But one of the things that we've been working on in this series is how to analyze literature with R. Well, this is still kind of being tested in that, but we have now a new page on this website called RLab. And so when you go to the RLab, basically it will simulate using R. Well, let's go ahead and I'm going to paste my code in here. It's basically the same code that we used in part 2.1. And the only difference is, and that we actually did here is, the bad part about this is we cannot access files locally on the computer. But what you can do is you can store the whatever CSVs or text files on your Google Drive, and then you can share it, so then you can access it on here on the Online Linguistics Lab with R. What's really great about this is that I can test out code on here. So if I'm on, like, say, another computer, that's okay. It's not going to stop me. And I can actually run this code. And now the only difference is that I did find is, like, here, typically you only use 2 backslashes, but for whatever reason, like I said, this is still being tested. It only recognized 1 backslash. So I went ahead and added an extra backslash to see what would happen, and lo and behold, it worked. This is the same exact code, except for that backslash, and the document we're scanning. No longer am I scanning that novel from a local drive, but I had to upload it to Google Drive. So you can now try it on here. Now here's the only problem, though, is that when you execute the code, you basically have to execute it all in one swoop. So I might make some changes to this page where there'll be several of these little boxes that you can individually try out code, because it's kind of a pain where you gotta erase it all and start over again. But let's go ahead and try this. So we can press evaluate, click on evaluate, or I can just hold shift and press enter. But let's just click on evaluate. And lo and behold, look at that. You read 18,874 items, and we get our dispersion plot. And again, why is this dispersion plot useful? Well, if we were to also look at Ahab, we would see a complementary distribution between Whale and Ahab. So this is concluding a quick video of part 2.3 of text analysis with R for students of literature, written by Matthew Jockers. Thank you for watching. I hope that you catch part 3. And part 3, we're going to actually go into chapter 5 of the book, where we talk about correlations. Thank you for watching.